service. So just drag down.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one.
With
So now you're in. So now you're going to click on connect to equipment. And then you're going to go to NFC when it's powered off completely. Is it off right now? Then go ahead and click NFC. Now on there, you're going to go to replace control board. And then you're going to scan the serial number. You can scan this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Right now we're going to update the firmware because the firmware says it needs to be updated. So it's like an app. Like if you don't have the updated one, it might not work. So you might as well update it. Okay, so then click open. Now you're going to get logged in. Click connect to equipment. NFC. And then replace control board. And then you're going to go to scan. And now scan this.
Oh, you have to press it. Okay.
Okay, and then continue. And now on here, I like to put the temperature display because I want to see the temperature. Comfort 2. Okay. And then on here, we're going to go ahead and put airflow display. I like to also see the airflow. And then we're going to put on the heating blur off delay. Remember they had mentioned they want 180.
Mm-hmm.
And then should be good. Continue. And then it says please ensure you're using compatible. Okay, it's already installed, right? So now you're going to bring this in close to it. And this is the part that sometimes, but you see here it says error. That's what happens. I don't know why. Hold on, it says resetting NFC. Hold on 1 second. I think it went through. That's where they need to fine-tune this application. It's not entirely game ready. See how check mark and then error? Continue. I just click cancel and I have to click continue. Please ensure okay. See, it has a check mark and then it says error. That's the part where it's super frustrating.
Yeah.
And aquí dice now resetting. So, okay. I think it went through. Even though it's trying to scan again. Hold on. Okay. Continue. Okay. Here it says resetting NFC hardware. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Update in progress. Okay, there. You saw that?
Yep.
Now, as to what I did, I can't really tell you. That's why I'm going to put this on YouTube because this is ridiculous, but this is how it works. And then the installer setup, we're going to click connect to just see what it says. Come on, bro.
Everybody said this is frustrating. Man.
Yeah, that's when the tech support acts like it's perfect. That's BS. It's not like that.
You cannot.
You saw like how many times we had to do it to get it to.
Yeah. That's what frustrates all technicians, everybody.
One of the things that I had a better opportunity is when I do Bluetooth. So let's do it with Bluetooth. So now look.